Hello and welcome to the Smart English Podcast. I'm Emma, your English guide and friend. Today, I have something very exciting for you. We're going to talk about how to learn English the smart way. This podcast is for everyone, beginners, intermediate, and even advanced learners. So, no matter your level, A1, B1, or C1, stay with me. I promise you will learn something new today. So, learning English, is it hard? Sometimes, yes. But is it possible? Absolutely. And today, I'll show you how to make it easy, fun, and real. Let's start with one big truth. Learning English is not only about grammar, it's about connection. Part 1, start small, but start right. If you are A1 or A2 level, don't worry. Start small. Here's a tip. Listen more, read more, speak more, but in small pieces. Example, listen to one English sentence every day and try to repeat it. Like this one, I like learning English. Now you try it, say it with me, I like learning English. Great job. Part 2, build habits, not pressure. Many learners say, Emma, I don't have time, and I always answer, you don't need 2 hours. You need 10 minutes every day. So what can you do in 10 minutes? Watch 5 minutes of a video in English. Repeat 5 new words. Write 3 short sentences. It's not about doing a lot. It's about doing it every day. That's how real learning happens. Part 3, use real English, not textbook English. Let's be honest. Some textbooks are boring, right? You don't say, the cat is under the table, every day in real life. So here's my advice. Use podcasts like this one. Watch movies. Follow English YouTube channels. Listen to English songs. Repeat after them. Try this sentence from a movie. You got this. It means, asterisk, you can do it. Asterisk. Say it with me. You got this. Now you're speaking real English. Part 4, think in English even if you're alone. Do you know the best way to learn English faster? Think in English. Yes, even when you're walking, cooking, or dreaming. Example, when you're walking, I am going to the shop. I want to buy bread. It's sunny today. You don't need to speak perfect. You just need to think more in English every day. Part 5, motivation and mindset. I know, some days are hard. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you forget words. But listen to me, that's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. Say this with me. I am learning. I am improving. I am not perfect. And that's okay. You are doing better than you think. Bonus, Emma's daily practice plan for all levels. Here's a simple plan I use myself. 5 minutes, listen to a podcast or video. 3 minutes, repeat new words or sentences. 2 minutes, speak freely about your day in English. Just 10 minutes. Can you do this every day? Of course, you can. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. You are already moving forward. I'm proud of you. Keep going. Don't forget to follow, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay strong, stay curious, and keep speaking English. Bye for now.